Hey, hello everyone. Thank you for joining this video. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do SEO content, how to do SEO on your content, because content is very important when you're optimizing or when you want to rank on search engines. So in this, I'm going to show you an example that I'm going to do. I'm going to write this article and post it on my blog and see how it's going to perform on search engines. I want to use a live articles so that you can see how it happens and how I always do with my articles every day. So I want to do something on YouTube subscribers because I've seen people are searching a lot about this. They want to know how to get YouTube subscribers. 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 So you can see here there are a lot of questions here people are asking, like how do I get 1,000 subscribers? How can you make money on YouTube with subscribers? How do you get subscribers fast? So this is what people are looking to do. Now, for you to get subscribers, you must create good content and then you optimize it and make it rank so that when people are searching for related content, they're able to find it and also YouTube is able to give it to them. There are so many people selling subscribers online, but that is not a good thing because those are just robots and they're not things that will really help you. So I've already pre-written the content. Here is it. I've worked on it and I'm explained it properly how to get how to do the keywords optimization, how to create good content, post it up, then optimize your YouTube channel and make sure people are getting your videos in YouTube. So I've written the content. So just want to show you how I always optimize the content and make sure people are finding it. So the first thing I usually do is do keyword research. And I always tell you the easiest way to do keyword research is to go here on Google. Look at the related keywords. People are looking here, YouTube subscribers buy 1,000 YouTube subscribers. You see, when people prefer buying, but that's not the right way. So the right way that I want to tell guys is just optimize your YouTube channel. If you optimize your YouTube channel, will find you organically. It won't happen in a day. It may take some time because you need to be posting frequently without giving up. And finally, Uncle Google will discover your content and push it to the right people who are searching for it. Now, so I've already written the content is here. You go to your WordPress backend. I'm using WordPress. You can see this here. I like WordPress because it's awesome. Now, the keyword here is YouTube SEO because I want to teach them how to optimize on YouTube to get free subscribers in Kenya. Yeah. So once you've written your content, make sure it's thorough and in-depth. This one of mine is over 2,000 words. 2,000 words is a very ideal because I'm really going in-depth in this one and Google will see this as an authority. Now, so the next thing we're gonna do here is optimize our URL. So in our URL, if you come up here, the URL appears here. You can click edit. So this is the URL that I'm using in this case. So each word that you want to rank for should appear on the URL. You don't need to write it all, YouTube SEO, how to get free subscribers in Kenya, because this one is quite long. So you pick the correct words, because what I'm interested is in the word YouTube. I have YouTube there. The word SEO, I'm interested in that. Then get. Get is a very common word, because you can see here, if you look at here, I'm sure you can see a lot of that. If I want the word get, let's just see. You can see a lot of related keywords. You can see how to get 1,000 YouTuber. It's common. It's common. In fact, you could pick this long tail keyword, how to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube in a day. It will be easier to rank for this keyword here than to rank for YouTube subscribers free. If I just want to show you these, let me just open a new tab so that you can compare them. YouTube subscribers free. YouTube subscribers free, you can see has 1 billion results. That tells you it's highly competitive. Then if you can check the other one that's called how to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube in a day, you can see they're even favoring a YouTube video. and you can see the searches here are 122 million. It's a little bit, results are also a lot, but compared to YouTube subscribers free, this is more. Yeah. So if you are a news blogger and your site is all that authoritative, I'll advise you to go for this. And also, if you click here, you can see other related ideas. So what you can do, you can just pick these up and come here at the title on this section, add it here, or you can put it there, all of it. Me, I'm not going to use that because I'm interested in also the keyword YouTube SEO. But I know YouTube SEO is very competitive as compared to how to get free subscribers in Kenya. So what I'm doing here, I'm hitting two birds with one stone. So I'll be ranking for this keyword YouTube SEO, and I'll also be ranking for this keyword here. This is just a way of ranking for two similar keywords in the same article. So the next thing is the titles. So we have different kinds of headings here. This H1 heading here. This one is H2. And there are several, as you go down here, you'll find there are several headings. So you want your keywords to appear in several parts, in several headings in the article, but you should not just use the same keyword over and over again. That is what we call keyword cannibalism, because Google will be seeing that you're trying to spam them and you're trying to optimize for keywords in the wrong way. So what you do, you can just pick this one. If you're interested in this YouTube SEO, put it in one in H2. In this H1, put it appears in H1. Also appears here in H2. And then you distribute them. You play around with it. Like this one here, we are talking about keyword research for YouTube SEO. So we are trying to create LSI keywords from here. There are also, for you to get similar keywords for these, you can just search LSI generator. This one will be creating similar keywords that are related to yours so that you don't cannibalize or you don't look like you're spamming that. So if you type here, let's say YouTube SEO and generate, we are going to get similar results from here. So this tool is free. You can use it anytime. I like using it because it gives me ideas of what people are doing. So you can see here this YouTube SEO tool, YouTube SEO service tutorial, and such kind of thing. You can also get some top performing content. Which content is performing? This one is YouTube SEO, how to rank YouTube videos 2019. So these are similar titles that you can also use for your title, for your article. So after getting some of these, just pick one. You can also look at the volume so that you can also optimize for other related keywords that you also want to rank for. This one is a lot. What is YouTube SEO? You can see here, I think I had something similar. Yes, what is YouTube SEO? I have it here. So that is how you do it. You just get either similar YouTube SEO tools. I'm not sure if I have tools, but I talked about some tools. Yeah, so it's important for you to do this research first before you write the article because it's going to guide you in what ideas you're going to be looking for and make sure you capture everything that you want. This one has a lot of research engine optimization, obviously, because it's SEO. Yeah. Now, once you have all these in the heading, the next thing here you're gonna do is internal linking. What I mean by internal linking is you link similar content that appears on your blog on this page. So if you can look here in the article, you can select it should have the target keyword. Like I have an article on keywords, so I'll just come search SEO keywords. This is the beauty of using this CMS because it's able to really capture all this. You see, I have related keywords here. Is what are the different types of SEO? Do keywords matter in SEO? This one is relevant, so that one will do. You can go and do this as much as possible inside your article. The idea here, not just about putting in internal links, but also about helping your user. Because you want your user, once they land on this, they get other related information that is going to help them understand more about the article. So, yeah, so our newsletter Get Sales, here I'll link to the homepage because I'm talking about that name. HTTPS. Yeah, so that I'm linking the brand name. Yeah. So once that is done, you can do this as much as possible. The other thing you're gonna do here is image optimization. So I don't have images here, but it's great to add images. Add images. So optimizing, where can I put an image that will help my user more? Promote your video organically. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Because the page really needs to look awesome. But how does YouTube algorithm work? This one I can add something on this. So I'll just go and search. Let me see if I can get a great image. Then I come here at images. How does YouTube algorithm work? So you can see this image is about YouTube algorithm. How does YouTube algorithm work? Yeah, this is a guide. So I'll borrow this image, save as, but you have to make sure that the image you're using has no copyrights for it, because you need really to make sure that the image is correct. So here I'm going to name the image YouTube algorithm work, because this is also helping in optimization so that Google can understand that the image here is about YouTube algorithm. So I'm going to download that and add it to my article. So I'm going to put it somewhere here, add that. Yes. So I'm going to center it so that it looks good, align it to the center. Yeah. So then when you click on this, you'll see here on the right side, alternative text. Alternative text is how this is the way the search engines when they are crawling will understand what is in this image. Okay, there's technology to scan the image, they're able to scan there, but for them to really understand, you can put up the keyword there or just make the name so that people can understand what's going on. So you can say these are showing how YouTube algorithm works. Great. That's awesome. Yeah. Now our articles look awesome. We can even preview it. Now there was one last thing. Should add a featured image. I have it there already added, featured image. So now we can preview. Let's preview and see how this article looks like. It's good to preview so that you can really understand what's happening. Yeah, you can see it there, looks good. I have this title, so someone can click and go to the exact place where they want to read. It looks awesome. Yeah, I like that. So I'll just go back and publish it. Yes, so if you publish it, you can still view it. It's okay. So the next thing you're gonna do after publishing your article, it's always great to share it on social media so that people can know that you have a new article that has already come up, or you can also share it to your email list. Yes, see the image really looks good here and it explains things properly. So the article is okay. Yeah, so this one is all done now. So after a while, YouTube is gonna pick this and it's gonna index it. Now let's just go to search engines and see how my article is performing. You can see it's ranking the first thing here. This was 7 days ago. That is when I first published it. 7 days ago, and it's already on number one for the keyword how to get free subscribers in Kenya. So we can also go to Bing so that you can confirm this. and you can see it's ranking number one. So that's how to create an article and make it rank on Facebook, on YouTube, and all the search engines on the first page. Now, another thing you're supposed to do after this is to get backlinks to this link for it to really stand out and rank for more keywords. Because you can see there's a keyword here that I really want, YouTube SEO. I'm not really ranking for it because it's very competitive. But if I continue to work on this, I'm sure I'll get it to rank here on the first page. Yeah, so I'll just go working on the off-page SEO for this. I'll link it to very authoritative sites, and very soon it will be ranking on the first position. Now, thanks for learning with me. If you have any question, you can reach down on the comment section and add it up to them. Now, this is the end of our learning time. Thank you. Subscribe, leave your comments, share. Goodbye.